There you are. वेलकम बैक दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। जैसा कि आपने टाइटल में देखा, आज हम जा रहे हैं एक बोट राइड करने के लिए। एंड दिस इज़ नॉट अ नॉर्मल बोट राइड। इन दिस बोट राइड वी विल चेक आउट सम ऑफ द फ्लोरा एंड fauna of a hidden island in Goa, and also we'll check out crocodiles in their natural habitat. So I'll just change and I'll meet you in a few seconds. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Okay, we are good to go. So on the bike already, and today I'm not alone. I have a few friends coming with me on this little adventure. If you're an old subscriber, I feel you have met some of them as well. Oh, by the way, we are heading towards North Goa right now. I have heard that the boat ride is best during the sunrise or the sunset time. So hoping to catch the sunset today. और दोस्तों, ये है हमारा न्यू ब्रिज ओवर द जुआरी रिवर। आई सपोज आपने मेरा शॉर्ट्स देखा होगा इस ब्रिज पे। एंड दिस ब्रिज रियली हेल्प्स इन अवॉइडिंग दैट ट्रैफिक विच वाज अदरवाइज बीइंग क्रिएटेड ऑन द ओल्ड जुआरी ब्रिज।
10 minutes later.
और ये है हमारी पहली सवारी। चलो अभी जल्दी से मैं बाइक पार्क करता हूँ और मिलाता हूँ आपको रेस्ट ऑफ द गैंग से।
ओके
और यहाँ पे है द बॉयज़, और इसको तो आप पहचानते ही होंगे फ्रॉम
अरे माका गया हमारे
yeah, the man behind the cinematic shots in that video, Simon. So right now we are heading towards Divar Island by ferry. And just look at how beautiful the sunset already looks, man. चलो हो गया अभी बोट राइड कंप्लीट। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।
प्रैंक हो गया आपके साथ।
नहीं यार,
ये अभी ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है। मैं बोला है ना, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
right now we are on the Divar Island, one of my favorite places in Goa. I mean, just look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? But आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हमारा बोट राइड। We are hardly 3 to 5 kilometers from our spot, so buckle up to what's coming your way. और हाँ, कंटेंट अब तक अच्छा लगा है या फिर इसके बाद अच्छा लगेगा तो इस वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर करना और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। सपोर्ट योर लोकल क्रिएटर्स। एंड बिफोर द बोट राइड, ये बाबा जी आपसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं रिगार्डिंग शेयरिंग एंड सब्सक्राइबिंग टू द चैनल।
जल्दी करो पता रे, जल्दी करो, पता है ना कौन है?
छेचे गोली वाले बाबा।
जल्दी करो नहीं तो आशीर्वाद मिलेगा।
सो मेड इट हियर, बाइक यहाँ पे पार्क है। वेलकम टू गोवा से बोट राइड।
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
As promised, let's check out some of the flora and fauna and some fishing techniques surrounding the island.
So these are red shanks and their legs turn red during the mating season. Roots help the smaller fishes in breeding. So when the fishes are smaller, they can hide inside those roots so the bigger fishes can attack them. So they act like nursery grounds, breeding grounds for the smaller fishes. And when it's low tide, the bigger fishes will also get their share. So there is equal balance. Inside the mud, catch the insect and then come out smoothly without worrying about the mud.
We've got them in Australia.
Yeah.
We call them bin chickens.
Pink chicken.
Yeah,
There's
we eat the
blue.
food
There's
out of
blue
the-
head, pink headed ibis.
Same as this.
Same, these are same. These are the pneumatophores. Starting with P, P silent, P N E U. Pneumatophores. Little cormorant. Traditional fishing technique, it's called putawni. So it's like a barricade to the shore. So when the tide is low, we will try to put the net on the mud and we'll try to put dig one end inside the mud. And when the tide rises, we will take the other end and tie it on top of the bamboo. So it acts like a barricade to the shore. And then we will wait for the water to get down again. And then we just have to collect the fish that is trapped inside.
And this was just a fraction of the things I saw here and the things I experienced here. Honestly, if you can, just come here and experience it for yourself. I was surprised by so many different species living in correlation to one another on such a small place.
Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more.
And now comes the part which we all have been waiting for, spotting crocodiles in their wild. Well, from what I understood, spotting them is quite difficult and only the lucky ones get to see them. And guess what? Simon? Oh, Simon.
They directly jump inside the water. With the bigger ones, they show their dominance. They're like, you get out. You're not going. Might fall down. Yeah. The eyes of the content that are trying to think of the content. It's huge.
Thank you, bye. And that's a wrap for the boat ride experience. हो गया अभी हमारा बोट राइड कंप्लीट एंड आए यहाँ पे रसम लट खाने के लिए और उसके से बाद मिलेंगे आगे on the bike. गरम गरम रस ऑमलेट खाने के बाद it's time to head back home. As we were heading back home, on the ferry we discussed about the boat ride and the experience. And if you want to take this experience for yourself, for your family, for your significant other or your friends, all the necessary details will be in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section below. Also, when you're contacting them, do mention my name as you might get some discounts as well. Also, a big shout out to my friend for the amazing drone shots. You can contact him if you need any kind of a drone service in Goa. I'll leave his number as well.
Bonus!
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना.
And you have to go at the right time because if you are late, then the fishes start making noise, they flap their wings and everything, and then the crocodiles come hunting with them. And then the crocodiles will destroy your net. So you have to go before that.
Aren't you scared of crocodiles?
I'm scared, he's not.
And with that, we come to the end of the video. If you liked what you saw, if you enjoyed it, please do share it ahead with a friend or two and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and peace out.